The Honor 300 Ultra is a high-end smartphone released by Honor in late 2024. It boasts impressive specifications and features, making it a strong contender in the flagship smartphone market. Honor 300 Ultra modified Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, 5300 mAh battery. As the most expensive model in the series, the 300 Ultra offers a luxurious design, capable cameras, and top-tier performance. The Honor 300 Ultra stands apart from the standard and Pro models with its sophisticated design. It features a 7-layer plain leather back embossed with a subtle pattern, giving it a more premium look. The phone maintains a comfortable thickness of 8.2 millimeters and weighs 198 grams for the plain leather version, or slightly heavier at 199 grams for the glass version. It is available in ink rock black and camellia white. Like the Pro model, the 300 Ultra has a triple camera on the back. The main is a 50-megapixel Sony IMX-06 sensor, accompanied by a 12-megapixel ultra-wide-angle and a 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens with optical image stabilization. Honor claims the 300 Ultra is its strongest telephoto portrait camera. It offers 3.8x optical zoom and an impressive 100x digital zoom, along with the series' signature SLR-level elegant portrait function and AI light control engine, ensuring stunning portrait shots in any lighting condition. Like its siblings, the Ultra runs on MagicOS 9.0 and comes with AI features like focus stacking, background blurring, and image expansion. It also supports 2K high-definition live photos that allow users to capture fleeting moments in motion. The front camera matches the other models with a 50-megapixel sensor. The front is home to a 6.78-inch 2700x1224 OLED quad-curved display, similar to the Pro model, with a 120Hz refresh rate. It also includes 3840Hz PWM dimming, a 4000 nit peak brightness, and support for 1.07 billion colors. Additionally, the phone comes with a range of eye care features, including natural light protection, AI sleep assistance, and motion sickness relief technology. The phone gets its raw power from a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip. While the standard Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 features a setup with one high-performance Cortex-X4 core clocked at 3.3 GHz, 3 Cortex-A720 cores running at 3.2 GHz, 2 Cortex-A720 cores at 3.0 GHz, and 2 efficiency-focused Cortex-A520 cores at 2.3 GHz, the version in the 300 Ultra has a slightly different configuration. Cortex-A520 cores clocked at 2.0 GHz for less intensive operations. It appears like a bit downclocked version of the standard 8 Gen 3. Nevertheless, the company has paired it with a 36x842mm stainless steel bionic VC heat dissipation system to keep thermals under control. Fueling the phone is the same 5300 mAh battery as other models, with support for 100-watt charging. Honor claims the phone can go from 0 to 59% battery in just 15 minutes and can fully charge in 35 minutes. Additionally, the phone supports 80-watt wireless fast charging. Rounding out the package, the Honor 300 Ultra features master-level stereo dual speakers, a linear vibration motor, and IP55 dust and water resistance for peace of mind. Connectivity options include NFC, Wi-Fi 7, infrared remote control, Beidou satellite SMS capabilities, and the ability to connect directly to Gaudi Maps via satellite without a network connection. Perfect for off-the-grid adventures. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.